Interactive object classifier using Scratch. Overview. Simulate an object classifier that identifies and categorizes objects. Students select objects example apple, ball, or car from a menu. The classifier responds by identifying the category example fruit, toy, or vehicle. Understand the basic concept of object classification. Use Scratch programming blocks like if-else conditions, variables, broadcasts, and sprites, sprites and backdrop, sprites, object options example apple, ball, car. A classifier display sprite shows the identified category, backdrop, a neutral background example a classroom or blank scene. Step-by-step guide to build the project. Step 1. Setup. The sprites, object sprites. Create 3 object sprites, apple, ball, car, that the user will choose. Classifier display sprite. This sprite will show the category after an object is selected. Step 2. Create variables, selected object. This variable will store the name of the selected object example, apple or ball. Step 3. Add code to the object sprites. Each object will broadcast a message when clicked, triggering the classifier to identify the category. For Apple sprite code, follow the following code. For ball sprite code, follow the following code. For car sprite code, follow the following code. Step 4. Add code to the classifier display sprite. This sprite will receive the broadcast message and display the object's category based on the selected object. Your project is ready. How the object classifier works. 1. Input. The user clicks on an object sprite, apple, ball, or car. 2. Processing. The selected object is stored in the selected object variable, and a broadcast message triggers the classification process. 3. Output. The classifier display sprite shows the correct category based on the chosen object. Conclusion. This project gives students a fun, hands-on way to understand how object classification works. It introduces concepts like if-else conditions, variables, and broadcasts to simulate a basic machine learning model. Students will enjoy experimenting with the different objects while learning fundamental programming skills.